Hello, Jake.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Day
Good.
2. How's it been? All right?
Been very good. We love this show. It's got a lovely little feel about it. It's nice to have something in the UK that's very similar to Superbooth, really.
Yeah, so we last caught up. Obviously, you're here, Decksaver. We caught up at Superbooth, didn't we?
Did, yeah.
And we went through some of your new additions there on what I can only describe as, lifesavers as well as Decksavers, because, we don't want anything like that happening, do we, folks, on our lovely synths. So what are you showing this year?
Okay, so we've got 22 new covers in the autumn drops, which should be on the website in a couple of weeks, ready to buy, winging their way to retailers in the next week or so. So we've got a little selection here. A lot of this stuff is slightly different to what we showed at Superbooth, because there's been a bit more development since, but we've got a fair few items here that are new that no one will have seen before.
Smashing. Yeah, so let's have a look at them.
So the flagship of the range, the Moog Muse, hell of a piece of kit and a hell of a cover to go on it.
Yeah.
Massive piece of plastic, a lot of engineering gone into that, but it's it's a really good piece, and we've just started including, rather than neoprene strips, we've started using rubber bumpers now to help protect that delicate woodwork.
I can see,
keep it still.
Got one around the back, got one here, and one there as well.
Yeah.
And the fit
helps stop it from wobbling too much, but as I say, protects all the woodwork.
Absolutely. And so the fit on this, you've decided it doesn't come right down. It actually stops like halfway through the body.
No, it doesn't go all the way down.
Yeah,
but it does cover all the keys, and so nothing should get past it.
Yeah, I think it would also be harder to take off if it went the full way down as well. Yeah. I can see that's actually quite easy to grip.
Hell of a piece of polycarbonate.
It really is, isn't it?
It is. Jomox, which we will have shown off at Superbooth. It fits the Mark 1, the Mark 2, and then the 999 and the 888 as well. So it's a multifunctional cover. The good people at Novation have lent us all the Mark 4 stuff, I should say, for the launch keys. So we've got everything from the Mini 25 all the way up to the 60s. We don't do the 81, but we do everything in between, the 25, the 37, the 49, etc. So that's all good. Our friends in Germany at Reloop have lent us this unit so we could do a cover for the Keypad Pro.
Great. We've got the raised bit there for the mod
just
wheel.
To give a little bit of extra protection if that's being going in a case or something like that.
Yeah.
And then the Korg Multi-Poly. And we've had a lot of people saying how wonderful this device is as a synthesizer, that there's so much to learn and so much to do with it. So it sounds like it's going to be a real fantastic piece.
Smashing.
Back to Novation, we've got the Launch Control XL Mark III. That's had a lot of requests, so that one should be doing pretty well, we think. And then a couple of boutique bits from the good guys at Beetle Crab Audio. So we've got the Tempera, which everyone who's had one of those units and talked to us about it said it's absolutely fantastic.
It is.
And then the Vector as well. We've also done Empress Effects. We used to have a cover that was just for the Zoya, but we've now redesigned it so it fits 3 pedals. I think the Reverb and the Echo system as well as the Zoya. So that'll be available very soon as well. The beautiful TP7
look at that.
from Teenage Engineering.
Nice.
Marvellous device, absolutely gorgeous, sexy as hell.
Can we just see on the inside of the cover?
Yeah.
Just out of interest, just how... It's one thing we don't get to see is...
Yeah, so this is an intricate cover.
It really
this is all done on a CNC machine. So every single cover is put on a CNC machine, and every angle and every bit is cut off, and then it's hand finished.
Absolutely, it's not just a square box you've gone plonk.
All those
fitted.
contours, yeah.
Smashing.
So that's lovely. Bento.
Oh, okay.
That's really nice. That's going to be popular as well. We've had a lot of people talking to us about that, and the 1010 lent is one of those. Of course, this is a bit of an old favourite, the OPXZ. We've slightly redesigned the cover though for this. For anyone who's on the move, it now forms a bit of a stand as well.
That's a nice idea.
Little design feature.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
And then finally, a little bit of a niche thing, but again, this is a multifunction. This is the Fader Fox micro module. There's about 10 or 15 different devices that this cover will fix, and there might be some more coming in the future. So that one, it's nice and simple, but it's going to do the job. And then customer spoke, we listened. Finally got around to doing the full-size Hydrosynth after a couple of years of people complaining that we do the Explorer and we do the desktop. Why aren't we doing the full-size one? So yeah, that's coming out as well. Everything should be available in a couple of weeks' time.
Smashing. So a lot of the time you said people have been contacting you and saying, we want this one, we want that.
Oh, totally,
so how's that happen? Is that on a forum? Is that via email? What's the best way?
We troll the forums a little bit, but we've got a form on the website that people can fill in and ask it to request a cover. We log all those and then we monitor them over time and see what is what's potentially going to work for us. We also obviously get a lot of messages on social media as well.
Yeah.
So we've got our finger on the pulse in listening to customers and what they want. We'd love to do some of the more niche stuff, but development is so expensive. You've got to get a critical mass there to pay everything back. But with technology in the future, maybe we'll be able to 3D print stuff and do stuff on smaller runs. But we listen to customers all the time and see what they want from us. That's
brilliant. It's good to know. I think that's really good to know for people out there that they're being listened to, and if you get enough people saying we want something, then it's financially viable, because obviously to engineer, to design, as you say,
absolutely.
It takes time, and
something like the micro module.
Yeah,
it's probably unlikely that we would have come to this on our own, but it's it's a one-man band, lovely guy. I don't know if he's little. Lovely guy in Germany who makes a micro model and some other things as well. Yeah. But it was customer demand that said, please, can you do a cover for that? So we've done it.
Happy days. Well, great. And thank you for continuing to
thank you very much.
Protect our wonderful toys.
Good to see you.
You too. Cheers.
Right. Cheers.
Bye.